Hello, my friend. Today I want to tell you an English story. The story is called A Smile at the Coffee Shop. Please listen carefully. This is an easy English story for beginners. Lily is 20 years old. She lives in a small city. She is kind. She is quiet. She likes books. She likes coffee. Every Saturday morning, Lily goes to the same coffee shop. She always sits by the window. She drinks a cup of coffee. She reads her favorite book. She likes the peaceful morning. One Saturday, Lily sees a new boy. His name is Daniel. Daniel works at the coffee shop. He is friendly. He has a warm smile. He says, "Good morning." Lily smiles. "Good morning." Daniel makes her coffee. "Here's your coffee." "Thank you." "You are welcome." The coffee is very good. Lily is happy. The next Saturday, Lily comes back. Daniel smiles again. "Good morning, Lily." Lily is surprised. "You remember my name?" Daniel laughs. "Yes, you come here every Saturday." Lily smiles. They talk for a few minutes. Daniel likes music. Lily likes books. Daniel plays the guitar. Lily likes to sing. They both like quiet places. They both like rainy days. Every Saturday, they talk a little more. One day, Daniel asks, "What is your favorite book?" Lily shows him her book. Daniel says, "It looks interesting. Can I read it one day?" "Of course," Lily says. The next week, Lily brings another book. "This book is for you." Daniel smiles. "Thank you. That is very kind." Daniel gives Lily a small flower. "This flower is for you." Lily feels happy. It is beautiful. Weeks pass. Their friendship becomes stronger. They laugh together. They drink coffee together. They walk in the park. They watch the birds. They talk about their dreams. One evening, they watch the sunset. The sky is orange, pink, and yellow. It is very beautiful. Daniel is a little nervous. He takes a deep breath. "Lily." "Yes?" "I like spending time with you." Lily smiles. "I like spending time with you too." Daniel smiles. "I think I like you very much." Lily looks at him. Her face is red. She smiles. "I like you too." For a moment, nobody speaks. They only smile. The wind is soft. The birds are singing. It is a beautiful evening. From that day, Lily and Daniel spend more time together. They help each other. They listen to each other. They respect each other. They laugh every day. They are happy. Lily learns something important. Love starts with kindness. Daniel learned something too. A simple good morning can change your life. Sometimes love begins with one smile. Thank you for listening. I hope you enjoyed today's English story. See you in the next episode. Goodbye and have a wonderful day.